Hello, my dear friends. I welcome you all to my online English channel. First of all, I request all of you to please subscribe my channel. Today we are going to deal with a very good topic of English grammar. The title of the topic is question tags. This topic is very important in English grammar. So see here, first of all, there are a few rules which you have to keep in your mind while doing the question tag. So which are those rules? We are going to deal with them. See here, a positive statement is followed by a negative question tag. So this is the first rule of question tag. A positive statement is followed by a negative question tag. See here, Ram is from Nanded. So look at this particular statement or sentence. It is positive. So if the sentence is positive, its question tag will be negative. For example, Ram is from Nanded, isn't he? यहाँ पे आपको ध्यान देने का है, अगर जो स्टेटमेंट है, अगर स्टेटमेंट पॉजिटिव है तो उसका जो क्वेश्चन टैग है वो निगेटिव रहेगा. जैसे कि राम इज फ्रॉम नांदेड़, हमें क्या करने का है, सेंटेंस एज इट इज लिखने का है, उसके बाद कॉमा यूज करने का है, देन द क्वेश्चन टैग विल बी इजंट ही एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू गिव अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. So you have to remember this particular rule about question tag in your mind or the memory. यहाँ पे देखिए क्वेश्चन में क्या है, सेंटेंस में इज है तो ये पॉजिटिव है, हमने तो इसको निगेटिव किया है isn't, और राम इट इज वी कैन से इट इज अ सब्जेक्ट, पर राम सब्जेक्ट है, सो वी हैव टू यूज द प्रोनाउन ही इंस्टेड ऑफ राम इन द क्वेश्चन टैग. I hope you are getting it, my dear students. A negative statement is followed by a positive question tag. अगर स्टेटमेंट निगेटिव है तो उसका क्वेश्चन टैग पॉजिटिव होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी इज नॉट इन आवर क्लास, सो यू हैव टू राइट द सेंटेंस एज इट इज, शी इज नॉट इन आवर क्लास. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू यूज द कॉमा एंड देन सी हियर, इज नॉट जो है निगेटिव है तो हमें खाली इज लेने का है यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव, एंड वी हैव टू यूज द सब्जेक्ट इज शी, सो वी हैव टू यूज द प्रोनाउन सेम एज इट इज. So I hope that you are getting it. Now there are a few more rules of question tag which you have to remember in your mind. See here, I will write those rules on the board. So which is the first one? See here, I will write the example on the board. Ram reads a book. See here, यहाँ पे आप ध्यान दीजिए. Look at this particular sentence. The statement has a verb and the verb is in the simple present tense. So if the verb in the sentence is in the simple present tense, then in the question tag we have to use does or do. See here, but here you know actually the subject is third person singular. If the subject is third person singular, then you have to use does. And if the subject is not third person singular, then you have to use do in the present tense. See here, so in the question tag you have to use do or does in the present tense. This you have to remember. Simple present tense. Simple present tense. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, राम reads a book. Actually this is a statement or this is a sentence, but the tense of this particular sentence is simple present tense. So what I told you while doing the question tag of this particular sentence, you have to take the help of the helping verbs do or does, क्योंकि ये simple present tense का sentence है, पर इसका जो subject है वो third person singular है. third person singular बोले तो he, she, it. अगर इसमें से एक आधा subject है तो हमें does use करने का है, और अगर third person singular subject नहीं है simple present tense में तो हमें do use करने का है. So what the answer will be? Ram reads a book. और यहाँ पे देखिए, एक्चुअली दिस इज अ वी कैन से पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट, सो इट्स क्वेश्चन टैग विल बी नेगेटिव. डजंट, DOES n apostrophe T, और यहाँ पे राम है, therefore we have to take the pronoun he. Doesn't he? I hope you are getting it. Now we will deal with one more example of simple present tense. Now see here, boys play cricket. अभी यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए, ये जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस था that is also of simple present tense. ये second जो है that is also of simple present tense. पर यहाँ पे क्या है, second sentence में subject जो है that is not third person singular. So that's why we have to use do here, not does. See here, boys play cricket, comma don't they, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए boys जो है ये plural है subject, that's why we have used they pronoun instead of the boys. Okay, now we will take one more example as a negative statement or a sentence. See here, we don't sing songs. तो यहां पे ध्यान दीजिए, ये जो सेंटेंस है दिस इज ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस बट इट इज नेगेटिव, सो इट्स क्वेश्चन टैग विल बी अफर्मेटिव और पॉजिटिव. तो यहां पे हमें सेम सेंटेंस लिखने का है, वी डोंट सिंग सॉन्ग्स, वी डोंट सिंग songs. After that you have to use comma and after that you have to use do we in this way. Okay, so here you have to remember in the simple present tense we have to take do, does, yeah, don't, yeah, doesn't. Now we will move towards the simple past tense. Now see here my dear friends, if the statement of the question tag is in the simple past tense, okay, is in the simple past tense, then we have to take the help of the verb did या didn't. अगर निगेटिव सेंटेंस है तो हमें did यूज लेने का, did का यूज करने का है. ओके, अगर निगेटिव है तो did यूज करने का है, अगर पॉजिटिव है तो क्वेश्चन टैग में didn't यूज करने का है. I will write both the examples on the board. My mother sent me a gift. See here my dear friends, actually this is the V2 form of the verb send, SEND sent. तो ये जो सेंटेंस है ये पॉजिटिव भी है और ये सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में है, तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या लेने का है, did या didn't. यहाँ पे देखिए पॉजिटिव है, इसकी वजह से हमें didn't लेना पड़ेगा. अगर निगेटिव रहता था तो हमें did लेना पड़ता था. So you have to write the example as it is, my mother sent me a gift, comma didn't, didn apostrophe t, didn't. My mother के लिए हमें pronoun she यूज करना पड़ेगा. I hope that you are getting it. It is so simple. But you have to keep in your mind a few rules which are very essential. See here, there are a few sentences which contain, actually there are a few sentences which contain words with negative meaning. So they are while doing their question tag, we have to use means we have to do their question tag in positive only. For example, जैसे कि कुछ words है इंग्लिश में, जैसे कि seldom, hardly, okay, never. So actually these words have a negative meaning. So while performing the question tag of these sentences, their question tag will be positive. For example, they never read newspapers. So see here, actually this sentence contains a word never, so it has a negative meaning, so its question tag will be positive. We have to write the same sentence, they never read newspapers, and after that do they. Why? Because the sentence is in the simple present tense. So I told you have to use the helping verb do or does. और यहाँ पे they क्या है, plural है. That's why we have used do here. A few more examples. For example, I am, not like this. And now we are studying a few other examples. I am. See here. I am your friend. I am your friend. So how will be the question tag of this particular sentence? you have to write the sentence as it is. I am your friend, and after that you have to use aren't I. Okay, I am your friend, and after that aren't I, question mark. So this will be the question tag. And if the statement has a modal auxiliary, then it is repeated in the question tag also. For example, see here, I will write one example. We should follow the rules. RULES. We should follow the rules. So this sentence contains the modal auxiliary should. So while doing the question tag of this particular sentence, we have to repeat the same modal auxiliary, but here it is positive, so its question tag will be negative. So we should follow the rules. We have to write as it is. We should follow the rules, comma, शुड का हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव में shouldn't, SHOULD, shouldn't, and after that we, shouldn't be, and then question mark. So simple, it is not very much difficult. Now see here, one more example we will see. Okay, a few other examples we will see so that the chapter or the topic will become clear to you. For example, they have studied English. Now see here, actually अगर have है, this is also a positive statement, and this is in the we can say present perfect tense. So here you have to use have की जगह क्या यूज करना पड़ेगा क्वेश्चन टैग करते समय, haven't they have studied English. After that means you have to write the same sentence, then comma, and after that haven't they. And one more thing you have to remember, my dear friends, if the sentence begins with let's, okay, then while doing the question tag of that particular sentence, you have to do its question tag with shall be. For example, see here, let's go outside for fun. तो ये जो सेंटेंस है जो लेट्स से बिगिन होते हैं, उनका क्वेश्चन टैग करते समय हर समय हमें क्या यूज करने का है, shall be. Okay, so you have to write the same sentence, let's go outside for fun, and after that comma, shall be, and then question mark. So it is so simple. I hope that you have understood it very clearly. If you are having any doubts related to the topic, you can send me your valuable feedback. I am always available for you. I hope that you have understood this particular topic. Again, we can study a few more examples. We will study a few more examples orally now. See here. I will tell you a few more examples orally. For example, my friends do not tell, or my friends do not, we can say my friends do not tell lies. So my friends do not tell lies, comma, do they? This will be the question tag. Again, I will tell you a few more examples. We must speak the truth, mustn't we? Okay. Again, I will tell you one more example. I am reading a newspaper. Aren't I? Okay, I am reading a newspaper. Aren't I? But suppose if I say like this, I am not reading a newspaper. Am I? So you have to understand the differences when you come across different kinds of sentences. I hope that you must have understood the topic very well. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. Have a good day, everyone.